been extremely cold the past couple days. Not yesterday, but Thursday. Today's Saturday. I was sweating. It was sunny, and it was like I was working outside, putting up siding, and I mean, like I was literally in t-shirt and overalls and sweating. And then that very night, it snowed, and went from 42, 43 to 31 in about 3 hours. And then it never got. And then the high for yesterday was 22, and that was at midnight. At 2 in the afternoon, it was 18 degrees. Right now it's 15. It got down to 13 degrees last night. Still trying to defrost my windshield. There was ice crystals forming on the inside of my windshield. But now we're getting ready to head down south, where the winter storm's supposed to have. But they're saying 55 to 70 mile per hour winds and 7 to 12 inches of snow. And wind chills of 25 below. So we're prepared. Big time. Corolla is about ready to intercept. We got chains because we are going to need them. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Can't figure out a way to get down there though. But there's ice out there. And this is the ocean. This is the bay. Here's a spot to get down, I think. Oh my, there's lots of rose bushes. Oh wow, that's a lot of rose bushes. Oh crap. Oh, I'm in the rose bush. Oh, there's a big thing. Come on. Okay, I'm out over the water a little bit. But that's ice right there. It's just slush. Now that's actual ice. Wow. I'll turn the GoPro off before it freezes, but that is ice on salt water right there. Probably can't see it on GoPro. In fact, I'd be very surprised if you could, but it's snowing right now. Lightly. 9:45, 9:50. Saw the first snowflake around 9:45, 9:47. Still got 100 miles to where I think the winds will be strongest. Oh, we got blowing snow on the road. So, it's already happening. It's only going to get more extreme. Update. Things are a little bit more extreme now. There's no ice underneath the snow, so it's actually very sticky. Very dry snow. So it looks really winter wonderlanding. See that? Got quite a bit of blowing snow going on. Mainly just ground blizzards. Not that. Oh, there it is. Don't know if the GoPro can see it or not, but that's okay. It's just an update saying, hey, we got this thing called a ground blizzard. Whoa! Roads are still really sticky. Oh my! be a river. These are intense right now. Coldest I've experienced since I was maybe 6 right now. Like, it is cold. Okay, dock is going up and down. That, wow, you can see ice all along here. It's all ice. I might not actually want to go out there, but we might anyway. Okay, it's not that slippery. That's good. Oh man, got some big time ice crystals up here. Look at all the ice crystals right there. Big time. Big time ice crystals. Whoa. Thermometer is outside and I'm waiting for it to calibrate. Right now it says it's about 9 degrees Fahrenheit. And I left it out for like 2 minutes. So it's actually a lot colder than I thought it was. But the winds are also picking up. So come with me on this journey of greatness. Max possibility. Oh my, it's got the real windy up here. Look at that. About 25 right there. So it says it's 3 degrees, so it's about 5. About 6 degrees right now, I'd say. 5 to 6 degrees. Freezing. Okay. It's an actual temperature of 6 degrees Fahrenheit right now. And a wind chill of about 17. I mean negative 17, sorry. Below 17 degree Fahrenheit wind chill. And it is blowing. I'm gonna get out there and see if I can measure some of these wind gusts because they feel more than 30 miles an hour. But I know I have 30 miles an hour. I recorded that. Gotta get the goggles on. It's not gonna be tight. Oh my!
Make a U-turn.
Largest was 33 and that was at the very beginning. But oh my goodness, my face hurts. Woo! Frostbite can happen as little as 30 minutes right now. We're gonna continue up that way. I'm not sure what the actual temperature is. My thermostat said 4. It usually runs about 2 degrees cold, so I added up 2 to 6. But the closest weather station, which is like 2 miles from here, says 16. Maybe I read it wrong. It's -8 wind chill, which I can believe. So we're gonna go with the nearest one at the moment. We'll get another reading somewhere else. I'm not sure what it is anymore. It's starting to snow pretty good now. The winds are definitely howling. It's supposed to max out around this afternoon, so we'll see. We found some wind. I'm debating right now on where to put chains on. I think I'll be good. Oh, it's interesting. This is the exact path I took last time I got locked out of my car. Wow. Pretty heavy duty. It's definitely pretty much blizzard conditions. You can see the trees up over there. Visibility's pretty low. But it's not whiteout, that's for certain. But it's blizzard, for sure. Alright, we're gonna pull off right up here. It is really coming down out there. I don't know if you can notice. Alright, we're going out. It's gusting up to 60, 70 right now, right where I'm at. Things about to get intense. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Alright, here we are. Okay. Whoa. Whoa! 50! Oh, oh my goodness! Wow! Woo! We recorded a 47-mile-per-hour wind gust, but it feels a lot stronger than that because at one point I was leaning into the wind and can barely even hold my ground. I mean, like, it literally knocked me backwards. But that says 47, so we'll go with that. So we're getting 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts, or gusts even higher. Definitely gusts higher. So we could, so that means, wow, that was intense. Okay, so storm chasers directly across from me, like on the other side of the gorge, recorded a 91-mile-per-hour wind gust. Now they got a little bit extra leeway. They got, you know, the wind has a little bit less resistance in it. It's forced up over a hill. Doesn't matter. We're still experiencing up to 60+ mile-an-hour winds here. And when it's 16 degrees, 6 degrees, I don't even know what it is right now. It's below 0 wind chill. Okay? It's cold. Cold. That's all you need to know. It's cold. It's cold, man. It's real cold. What is this? I don't want to know. It's cold in here, and I've only had the car off for a little while. Oh, I see. What little bit of mustache I have actually has icicles in it. That's what's happening. That's that weird feeling. It's freezing. Also, on a much more, oh my goodness, we're about to be blasted. Hang on. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. Woo! That was intense. We just potentially found the intercept spot of intercept spots. Wow. Definitely rocking the car right now. It's intense out there, man. 32 already. Look at the wind blowing down through there. Snow. Checking this out right now. Got some drifts. Pretty good drifts right here. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that! so cold. As you can see, it's looking more and more blizzard-like. According to radar, you see this red? That's normally heavy rain. That's all snow at 15 degrees. The GoPro can't see, but this says 15 over there in Troutdale. So we're gonna head back because we're heading east. We're gonna head west a little bit, and we're gonna intercept this monstrosity in 50-mile-per-hour winds. Maybe even higher, because it's only 1 o'clock. About 3 o'clock is when it's supposed to be maximum. I mean, like, look at this. We're out of the ridge, so it's not quite as extreme, but the snow itself is ramping up exponentially. It's intense right now. Snowfall rates are really picking up. Because of the wind, there's areas of road with no snow, and then it just goes to this. And this is some slippery stuff, but no ice underneath. It's just like roller bearings. GoPro. We're still in the leaves and stuff. Huge branch fell there. Yeah. Making it up real nice. But it is getting deeper. Just used down snow. Whoa! We just went through snow. We just went through a snowdrift. We actually bottomed out a little bit from the road a little bit. Huge snowflakes. Huge snowflakes. Wow, it's really coming down. Really coming down. Whoa, whiteout. Closest we've had one yet. Whoa. Whoa! Oh, shoot. Hope that didn't do any damage to my car. Probably did. That was ginormous. Wow, branches falling everywhere. Whiteout conditions. Woo, buddy. It's intense right now, but it is snowing it's snowing buckets right now. Oh man. Blowing like crazy right there. Watch out for branches. Woo. We're in the thick of it. Lots of branches coming down. Look. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, we got plenty of traction with this dry snow. Wow. Huge snowfall rates. Huge. Wow. Near whiteout. Really coming down right now. Really coming down. Okay, we're back at this intercept spot. Woo! Yeah, buddy. It is really coming down. Woo! Man! 50-mile-per-hour winds, potentially 3/4 inch an hour snowfall. Okay, that may have been more than 50. I don't know what that was. What the heck is this? Why is it happening? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, recording again. Whoa, branch just came up and over the guardrail. What? Why? How? I don't know. Crazy intense. I wonder where my Burger King is. Why are the Burger Kings closed? Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna go out in it like a complete idiot. Whoa, whiteout. There's so much snow in my hood. We're now moving back east a little bit. The heavy-duty snow band moved east. So we intercepted at that spot. Now we're intercepting back this way. Full sea now. Almost impossible. Okay. Whiteout. I can't see anything more than 100 feet. Wow, I can hardly see anything. We have blizzards now. This is the blizzard. Wow. Heavy snow band. Heavy. Okay. I just want you guys to see how much of a whiteout this is. Well, I'm not sure if it's technically called a whiteout, but it's the most I've seen in a long time. People have their flashers on. I just got flashed. Someone put on their brakes and turned them off. This is intense. So I don't know what that means. I think maybe they're just telling me they could not see me. I got my lights on. Maybe I need my blinkers on. Oh my. Oh my. But anyway, we're still in the heavy snow band. I'm just kind of following it until we can't follow it anymore. I just had whiteout conditions where I couldn't even see the hood. Let's see if I can get on camera. Dragged it along. Oh, that was whiteout. Whiteout. Whoa. 50 plus. What they were warning me about, I think. I don't know. What the heck is going on? There's a snowplow though. Whoa! Oh my goodness, that was intense. Alright, we're in Stevenson, Washington. And it is dumping and it is blowing. Now over here, actual temperature is about 10. We're gonna go check out this Ace Hardware because I'm hoping that they're open. Everything is closed. I gotta go pee, man. I don't got a single more. Actually, there's a French fry and some mold, but I'm not that hungry yet. But anyway, we are going to explore a little bit and then go out and walk in it because why the heck not? We're here. We drove 200 miles plus just to get here. You can see. Patio that had some tarps or whatever got ripped off, like the tarps and stuff. It's really windy here. Going out in Stevenson, Washington. Wind chill is well below zero. See? Gusts are around 40-50 miles per hour. Let's just go for a little walk around the block. Look at the stop sign wobble. Woo! That's intense right there. Regular walk in the block. Oh. Whoa.
really need to grow my mustache out. It's not doing much. Rather than collecting moisture. Drifts are around 6 inches right now. 6 to 8 inch drifts right here. Depending on where you look. Is it open? If it's open, yeah, that's the ladder. Let's go. We gotta check it. This is gonna be, oh, it's open. This is the most extreme porta potty intercept ever. Oh, there's one just snowing. Oh no. Go on. There you go. This is where I'm staying tonight. We'll close that for you. Alright, I'm done. But here's the problem. I need to get out of here because a huge wind gust came and I felt the porta potty about ready to flip. I felt it move. That's not okay. I don't want to go out this way. This is not the way I was destined to go out. No, no, no. I'm out of here. Look at that. That Bishop Sanitation, they make pretty good porta potties. Huge winds right there. Look at that. What's right here? Whoa, look at that. Whoa, this thing says it's -1 right now. I'm not sure that's accurate. But yeah, my thermometer, I always say thermostat. My thermometer says it's -1 right now. 0 degrees, -1. I think I actually got a bit of frostbite while I was out there. Don't know if you can see on my face. Walking back into the wind, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. I had ice on my cheeks, nose, and mustache, and it hurt. I think it may have been, it was the very beginning of frostbite. It's wild stuff. All right, we are going to head back now. It's about 3:40 in the afternoon. Obviously, it's not nighttime. It's gonna take us a little while to get there. But hopefully we can find some food like in Vancouver. It is dumping over there, completely and utterly dumping. It's dumping right now, but you just don't see the accumulation because of the wind. But also, look at the snowdrift. You can actually see it move. Look, it went up there. Then another wind gust come along, add to it or take away. Look at that. These snowdrifts move. It's an amazing and beautiful thing. Anyway, today's first day in my life where I look into the wind for a couple minutes and I have ice on my face. Still ongoing, big time. It's supposed to go till midnight. 7 inches to a foot. It's already, there's some snow drifts. Did not get on GoPro because of the battery, but there was about 2 foot snow drifts in places, so up to the knees. And then you get places like this where there's nothing. Probably overall it's about 3 inches of snow right now that is falling, but it is still dumping and will continue to dump, well, here for another couple hours at least till it lulls a little bit. But both ways, blizzard warning's on till midnight. We're gonna head back, try and make it up these hills without chains, but if it's just not gonna make it, we got chains for backup. That's the gist of it. Okay, I just got Burger King. I was the last person entered to this Burger King here. Pretty good. Didn't feel a need. I didn't feel a need to film it, honestly. Right now we're in Vancouver, Washington, and we're getting ready to head home. We're gonna head home. So that's it. Goodbye to the